Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Black Richard. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. At this time I'm going to be your QGIS facilitator, and I'm going to show you how to import data into your QGIS software. The data we are going to import to our software can be found in the description below. Follow the description under this video to get the data we are going to import into the software. Click on the video on the link below the description. You are going to join a Telegram group, and this is the file we are going to use or are going to import into the software. This is the geo358data.zip. Download it and save it into a folder. You are going to use it. So you just right click. If you are using a laptop, you can see save as, and then you select a folder, any folder you can remember. Just select a folder from here and you click on the save, and you're going to download it. If you are using a phone, you can just download on your phone and transfer it from your phone into your computer. Okay, so after downloading, this is how the folder look. That's how the data look like. This is how it look like. You can see geo358 data here. This format is a raw format, so we are going to extract to get the real data or the real files that we want. So you can see it is in a raw format. To extract this, you just have to right click. If you are using a PC, right click here. You can see extract all. You click on extract all. You are going to extract the files. Or if you are using Windows 10, you are going to see extract all here. You just click on it and you are going to extract the files from the data, the raw. After extracting, this is how it's going to look. You are going to see geo358 data. This is how you are going to see the folder as. When you open the folder, you are going to see the files in it. Yes, these are the files in the data. So this is the folder that you are going to import into the QGIS. This is the data. The data. Note, don't save your data onto desktop. Don't copy your data onto desktop. No, always save your data into the disk D or disk B or your local disk C. Don't place it on your desktop. It's either disk C here or disk B or disk D here. You can just save it anywhere. As you can see mine here, this is the geo358 data in my disk B. This is it. So after everything, you just close it and you open your QGIS software. Open your QGIS software after extracting your data. So if you want to open your GIS software, this is how it's going to look like. This is the interface. Look on your left side, you're going to see browser here. You're going to see browser. You're going to see layer. You're going to see these panels here. Now look at this left side. You can see the home. You can see my Black Richard. That is my disk B. If you yours is going to be D or disk D, you're going to see it here. You are going to see your C here. That's the Windows disk C. That's your disk C. You are going to see all your files or your folders here. Now because I saved my GI data at the disk B, because I save it here at the disk B, I am going to open your disk B here. So look at where you save your data, the folder under which you save your data, and follow it and open it at this left side of the QGIS. If you saved it at disk C, you just come to disk C, you look for it, then you follow it here to find your data. I saved mine at here, disk B, Black Richard, and I go to my hood, my rules, and then under it I can find my geo358 data here. So I'll just come to this left panel under the browser. I click on the Black Richard. Yes, this arrow. You see the folders here. It has opened. Now I go to my hood, my rules, as you can see here. And I come to Black Richard, my hood, my rules. Then here's the data. So the same. You come to my hood, my rules here, or whatever you are saving your data, you just follow it and you open it at the browser panel or section. So under my hood, my rules, you can see here the geo358 data. Then I open it. I open this one too again, and these are the files. We are going to work it. work with it in this our GIS project. So this is how you can just import your GIS data into the GIS software. Welcome to my channel. If you are interested in what I'm doing, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like also, and drop your comments. If any misunderstanding or you have any question, drop it under the comment section and I'm going to reply to all of them. We are going to meet in our next video and I'm going to show you how to reset your data if you've made a mistake or you have misplaced your panels or your toolbars.